All right, so data highlighter. By now we have done a lot of different tasks, which some of them were pretty much boring. For example, let's say writing a copy, you have to pay attention to a lot of different things using internal links inside it, external link inside it. Take a look at your sentences. Don't write long sentences. Use keywords inside them. There are a lot of boring stuff, right? But data highlighter is actually interesting. So here in our Google Sheet at the bottom of the page, you can see data highlighter. You can come on it and just click on it on the link and open. It will take you to the old version of Search Console. Later, they may change this UI and bring the data highlighter to some other place. So if you cannot find it this way, just go to Google and search for Google data highlighter, right? So here in search appearance, as you can see, we have data highlighter. So click on it. All right, so here we are. And to start, to select the web page that you want to highlight, at the top right side, click on start highlighting, right? Here you have to select the URL. You have to paste the URL of the page that you want to highlight. So for our situation, let's highlight this page on my website. I'm going to paste the URL. And then after that, I have to tell Google Search Console that what is the type of this web page, right? Is it an article, book review, events, local business, movie, products, restaurants, software applications, and TV episodes? The reason that we have to select the type here is that later the elements that you have to highlight inside the web page is going to be different, right? For my situation, to show you, it's a product, right? It's one of my courses. It's a landing page of one of my courses. So here I have to come and select products and tag this page and other pages like this, or just this one. Let's say you have 20 web pages that have the structure of your web page is exactly the same, but it is for different products, right? You can make your work easier and just select tag this page and all others like it. But for our situation, we will go with the second option, tag just this page, press OK, and all right, so here we are. And what we should do, we should go and click on the elements that exist in our web page and define them, what they are. So generally, data highlighter is a tool that gives you this opportunity to introduce every single element in your web page to Google and say, all right, Google, this is my headline in this web page. This is the image in this web page. This is the product name. This is the product price. This is the product reviews, right? So data highlighter will make the work much easier both for you and Google to analyze the information on your web page. So here we have, I can select the title that I have here, and then I can say, all right, is it a name? Is it an image, pricing, product ID, average rating, etc., right? So for our situation, I'm going to select name. Also, I'm going to select this one and write down name. Then let's go down and I'm going to select this image and say these are images. And itself, it will also try to guess what the other information on your web page is. And if it is wrong, just select them and click on clear tag, and it will remove the tag from them, right? For example, here I have the price here. So this is the price, and I don't have any reviews on my web page, and more or less that's all. So let's say you have 10 elements, 20 elements, depending on what you have. Here I have a video, but it's not loading. I don't know why. Yeah, here I have the video. So anyway, this is all data highlighter. And when you're done, just come at the top part here, click on publish and continue anyway. Don't add the missing tags. And that's it. So this way you introduce to Google that, hey, these are the elements on my web page. Okay, so later Google will understand them easier, and when people search for it, they will receive the information much faster and more clear. So that was all about data highlighter. Let's go for the next one.